educational games for kids.
Water come from and what does it do? Drag the little cloud and have a look. The pond has brought a lot of water vapor. The rainwater can water flowers, grass, and trees. Drag the little cloud and have a look. Uh-oh, the little cloud is out of water. Drag the little cloud and have a look. The pond has brought a lot of water vapor. Alas, it's so cold. The rainwater has become snow. Drag the little cloud and have a look.
Hello, everyone. I'm Quacky. Welcome to Is It True? Let's start answering questions. Here are the buttons. If you think it's true, press the green button. If you think it's false, press the red button. Let's begin. There are many water droplets hidden in the cloud. Is it true? Tap the button and here is the answer. This is true. Lots of water droplets and ice crystals gather together and turn into the cloud. Next question. When it rains, it means the cloud is crying. Is it true? Here is the answer. It is false. Water droplets in the clouds collide with each other and become big water drops. When the air can't hold water drops, they will fall as rain. Next question. The rain in the sky comes from the earth. Is it true? Here is the answer. This is true. The water on the ground rises into the sky as water vapor, turns into the cloud, and falls as rain. Next question. Acid rain is very sour. Is it true? Here is the answer. It is false. Acid rain is toxic. Pollutants from the ground rise into the sky and fall with rain, which is called acid rain. It harms humans, plants, and animals. Next question. The dark cloud is transformed from the white cloud. Is it true? Here is the answer. This is true. When there are more and more water drops in the white cloud, it'll be hard for the sunshine to penetrate the cloud. Then the white cloud turns into the dark cloud. End of Q&A.
Quack, 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 quack.
Go quiz your mom and dad.
Pitter patter, pitter patter. It is raining. But Mom says that rainwater is dirty. We can make the rainwater clean. Really? Let's make a rainwater filter. Tap and see what we need. Plastic bottle. A pair of scissors. Gauze and rope. Materials kit. Rainwater. Let's start. Step 1. Attach the gauze to the mouth of the plastic bottle. It's done. Step 2. Cut the plastic bottle in the middle. the mouth of the bottle upside down and put it inside the bottle. Look, we've made a funnel at last. Put all these items inside. Cotton, corn kernels, charcoal bits, small stones. The rainwater filter has been finished. Now, let's try it out. Pour the rainwater into the filter. Watch and see if the rainwater becomes cleaner.
Wow! The rainwater filter is fantastic! I want to taste the purified water!
We can't drink the rainwater, but we can use it to mop the floor, water flowers, and flush the toilet.
That is so much fun!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.